Hello dear children. I'm Mr. Soul. Today, our questions are about foods. Let's go for the questions.
Dear kids, please subscribe to our channel because Mr. Soul has prepared a lot of educational videos for you. So make sure to watch them. I love you. Let's go for the video. Question 1. The shape below shows what type of food?
This image is a fajita.
Next question.
This image is a sushi.
Next question.
This image is a ramen.
Next question.
This image is a steak.
Next question.
This image is a guacamole.
Next question.
This image is a pizza.
Next question.
This image is a bruschetta.
Next question.
This image is a pasta.
Next question.
This image is a meatballs.
Next question.
This image is a burger. Goodbye.